and today is day 22. So today we're going to be talking about, should we as lawyers get a specific insurance or on AI omissions and errors? What does our present insurance actually cover? And this is just a mere discussion. I'm not sure of who has which province and who has which insurance coverage at this point, but this is just to make sure that our insurances are covering these mistakes. And just a fair discussion on what it is. This does not constitute any legal advice or does not promote any certain insurances. So I'm gonna start talking about it. What I think we should do as lawyers. Rather than assuming that we are covered or we need special AI insurance, the practical step is to actually ask our insurance or your province's insurance directly. Does our policy treat an AI-related error any differently than a human-caused error? Is there anything in our policy language that could be read as excluding AI-assisted work? And does using a specific category of an AI tool change anything about our coverage? I would urge everybody to get an answer as soon as possible, because I believe a lot of people and a lot of lawyers have been using artificial intelligence in some way or the other. So this is something which we all should be very concerned about, and we should check out our law society's rules as well as a general policy, just to get a general policy of our insurance, just to get a reassurance of what we are allowed to do and what we are not allowed to do. Why disclosure still matters in this case as well. One connection worth drawing to the rest of this series: the cases we've covered where a lawyer concealed artificial intelligence use rather than just making a research error ended up in much worse territory and consequences in terms of discipline proceedings. Not just a malpractice question. Being upfront about usage of AI should be very normalized between the courts, the law society, and even the insurance claim. So once the insurance claim arises, it would be much more straightforward to go to resolve these matters, and whether we were negligent as a lawyer or whether it was absolutely all right to cover this under our insurance. The honest answer to does insurance cover artificial intelligence mistakes is probably under the same standard of care of your policy, which already covers this, but this is new, and I feel that everybody should get clarifications from their insurances. And it is probably the most required conversation, because we don't know what is the future of artificial intelligence in our practices as lawyers. Do let me know what the insurancer or insurance company says about this. I would love to know in the comments, and definitely I would leave Law Pro's email, and I would try and ask them myself of what is the possibilities and how are we covered in this. Do let me know what your law society says or your insurer says about artificial intelligence coverage. Thank you.